Flow switch check. In this video, we are going to learn about how to test flow switch for working or non-working condition. Open side door of machine. Connect flow switch wire to chiller wires for interlocking and safety of laser tube and solder it. Switch on the chiller. Put multimeter on continuity mode. Connect probes of multimeter wire to two connections of flow switch. If water is flowing properly, then multimeter will buzz and it should show 0 value. This proves flow switch is working. If not, then you have to replace flow switch wire.